First of all, name of Allah. Hi. In this CSS tutorial, we will create sticky navigation. In body tags, we will use open U element and close the UL tag element. In between UL tag elements, we will use li tag open and close the li tag element. In between li elements, we will use a tag open reference h tag attribute equal double quotes and link open and close a tag. Copy, and after that underneath ul we will create open p element and close the p element. In between p elements we will use dummy tags just for learning. Copy, paste into paragraph and use paragraph, copy and paste underneath. Control V use for paste and Control V use for paste and Control V use for paste. Press the build button to save the file. Go back to the browser and press F5 key to refresh the page. Now we will create sticky navigation. Open Notepad++, external style sheet style.css. So we will use UL selector open and close. In between UL selector we will use CSS property and value. List style type colon none semicolon underneath margin colon 0 padding colon 0 semicolon. After that overflow, underneath overflow we will use background color column. Underneath we will use position colon hyphen use and use webkit hyphen for Safari sticky semicolon. Underneath position colon sticky semicolon. Underneath UL selector we will use li selector open curly braces and close curly braces forward left semicolon. Underneath li we will use li selector white space a selector open curly braces and close curly braces, and we will use display block semicolon and color white semicolon. Underneath color we will use text align center colon semicolon and use padding colon 12 px and 14 px semicolon. After that we will use text extraction colon none semicolon. Underneath li and a selector we will use li selector white space a colon h over background color colon green semicolon. And underneath li a selector we will use class selector use active selector use open curly braces and close curly braces, and we will use background color colon black semicolon. Press the below button to save the file. Go back to the browser and Press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page, and we will use class after we will use after a tag white space class after we will use equal double quotes and use active selector, and press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page and change its color. Now we will use white color for link, and in li a selector we will use column views color white. Press the blue button to save the file. Go back to the browser, press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page. Notice scroll bar not appear on this web page because there is not a lot of data on this page. So we will use and we will create p paragraph increase again and again. Use enter, Control V use for press, enter, Control V use for press, use for paste, enter, Control V use for paste, again enter, because we need lot of data on this web page. For scroll bar, Control V and again Control V, enter, Control V for paste, enter, Control V for paste, and again enter, Control V for paste. Press the blue button to save the file. External style sheet already saved, and go back to the browser and press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page. As you can see, we created lot of data on this web page, and scroll bar appear. Scroll down and scroll down and see the effect. And now we will create fixed navigation and open Notepad++. Instead sticky we will use fixed, and press the blue button to save the file. Go back to the browser and press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page, and scroll down column 100% semicolon. Press the blue button to save the file. Go back to the browser, press Ctrl F5 to refresh the page and see the effect.